Hello and welcome. So I've got this is an old JVC digital video camera using DV tapes. So this is a bit of an issue. Whenever you power it on, it says condensation error. Some people online have come with a few different methods of fixing it, everything from just leaving it in warm weather, cold weather, cleaning the inside out with glass cleaner and a Q-tip to try to clean the sensor. Other people are saying it just doesn't work because there's actual damage to the sensor. But one of the things suggests is taking it apart and plugging things in and out to see if that fixes it. That's the only method left, so I thought I might as well try that out. So I'll begin by disassembling this. So, because we just find all these screws. Is there screws under these? No, there is not. So I guess we can slip those in place. That screws here and here. And on the bottom, on the back, pretty much everywhere you can imagine there are screws. Let's start, and there's so many options. Let's we can start taking them out of the bottom. So we'll be one missing from there. Looks like there are different lengths of screws, which might be a bit of a problem. That's another length of screws, so there's 3 sizes at least. That's a 4th size of screw. There's one on the top. So need another size of screw. I think it's been caught on this side by something. That's just to hold that in place. It's coming off, but it's being caught on this end by something. Because I'm keeping the screws out. That's another screw. Another screw here. It's a shame they can't just use the same types of screws and everything. Probably because they don't want you taking this apart. Is there anything under this side maybe? Could it be? No, this is to hold the DC cover on, I think. So these two don't want to come out while that piece is still off the top. So you want me to pull this apart. Bit of resistance down here. Take this screw out. It's just to hold that on. I can take the rest of these screws out just to see. Maybe I'll look under this if I take it off. That might be useful. Oh, there's more screws under there. Looks like it's holding it on. As I continue trying to get these ones out. That doesn't to come out. Neither does this one. There we go, like that one. I do the same with that one, just pull it out. There we go. I'll try taking this strap off, just to get it easier to use. Okay, let's put that to the side. Another screw here that I missed. What if it was just that screw the whole time? I was keeping this together. I hope not. Right? Might have been this side at least. Oh, there we go. So it was just that one extra screw I missed this whole time. But anyway, looks like to reset it, you're supposed to remove this white cable here with the one red wire. So I'm not sure how to best get at that by itself. Is there a clip on it? Doesn't look like it. Looks like it's just a one that you try out. There we go. So it says to leave that for 5 minutes, so I'll leave that for a few minutes and plug it back in. It hasn't been anywhere near the recommended 5 minutes, but I think I might as well just give it a go just in case it doesn't need the whole 5 minutes. If it doesn't work, I can always unplug it again. There we go. While I'm at it, I might as well, even if I'm not going to screw the whole camera, I might as well screw some of those extra screws in that weren't actually needed. Let's see if those go in. I think some of these ones back here were the long screws. Yeah, looks like that's what it is. Yes, I'll try this now. So I've partially assembled the camera, taken it out, and it does seem to play the tapes now. So I'm just copying all those tapes, at least as many as I can, before the camera decides to have another issue. So obviously I don't have the rest of the video of me reassembling the camera, because I am just trying to use it. I don't know if me putting it together somehow going to break it again, so I'll just be recording all the videos onto my computer at the moment. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, comment down below your thoughts, and do future videos and subscribe so you see videos like this in the future.